An is used with vowel sound, the is used with only one of their kind, and much more. Let's understand. Article in English grammar, let's understand step by step manner in a very simple and easy way. Dash elephant. An elephant. The first sound of elephant is a vowel sound, so an elephant. Dash unique book. A unique book. The first sound U of unique book is a consonant sound, so a unique book. Dash $1,000,000. $1,000,000. The first sound ma of $1,000,000 is a consonant sound, so $1,000,000. Dash act. An act. The first sound of act is a vowel sound, so an act. Dash United Kingdom. The United Kingdom. When the name of a country consists of an adjective that is united plus a noun that is kingdom, so the United Kingdom. Dash astronaut. An astronaut. The first sound of astronaut is a vowel sound, so an astronaut. Dash mango. A mango. The first sound ma of mango is a consonant sound, so a mango. Dash doctor. A doctor. The first sound of doctor is a consonant sound, so a doctor. Dash Thar. The Thar. Before the names of deserts, we use the, so the Thar. Dash glass. A glass. The first sound g of glass is a consonant sound, so a glass. Dash banana. A banana. The first sound b of banana is a consonant sound, so a banana. Dash Ganga. The Ganga. Before the names of rivers, we use the, so the Ganga. Dash earth. The earth. For only one of their kind, we use the, so the earth. Dash car. A car. The first sound k of car is a consonant sound. So a car. Dash cloth. A cloth. The first sound k of cloth is a consonant sound. So a cloth. Dash house. A house. The first sound h of house is a consonant sound. So a house. Dash Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. We use the with the names of ocean. So the Pacific Ocean. Dash stars. The stars. Definite article the is used before stars. So the stars. Dash ice cream. An ice cream. The first sound of ice cream is a vowel sound. So an ice cream. Dash Mahabharat. The Mahabharat. The is used before the names of holy books. So the Mahabharat. Dash rabbit. A rabbit. The first sound r of rabbit is a consonant sound. So a rabbit. Dash sun. The sun. Before only one of their kind, we use the. So the sun. Dash monkey. A monkey. The first sound m of monkey is a consonant sound. So a monkey. Dash Taj Hotel. The Taj Hotel. We use the with the names of famous building like Taj Hotel. So the Taj Hotel. Dash sheep. A sheep. The first sound s of sheep is a consonant sound. So a sheep. Dash PVR. The PVR. When we refer to a names of cinemas, we use the. So the PVR. Dash mosquito. A mosquito. The first sound m of mosquito is a consonant sound. So a mosquito. Dash couple of goats. A couple of goats. The first sound k of couple of goats is a consonant sound. So a couple of goats. Dash bus. A bus. The first sound b of bus is a consonant sound. So a bus. Dash girl. A girl. The first sound g of girl is a consonant sound. So a girl. Dash teacher. A teacher. The first sound t or t of teacher is a consonant sound. So a teacher. I hope you enjoyed the video very much and understood at the same time. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos.